let's go back to this example. 10 runners join a race, and how many possible ways can they be arranged as first, second, and third places? So we have here first place, second place, and third place. So in first place, since there are 10 runners, in the first place there are 10 possible people that could be the first place. So we have here 10. So in the second place, since we already choose a first here, so in the second place there are only 9 possible runners that could be the second place. Since we have 10 possible runners that will become the first, and the second there are 9, then the third there will be 8. So in fundamental accounting principle, you have to multiply this one. 10 times 9 times 8, that is 720 ways. However, we can answer this one using the formula for permutation. So what's the formula for permutation? We have P permutation of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. So in this example, we have 10 runners join a race. So your n is 10 because there are 10 runners. And your r, since you are going to arrange the 10 runners as first, second, third places, therefore your r is 3. First, second, third. Taken 3 at a time. Meaning, you are going to arrange r, for example, runner 1 is the first, runner 10 is the second, runner 7 is the third. So, this is one arrangement. Taken r at a time, there are 3 elements in every arrangement. That's the meaning of r. There are 3 elements here in every arrangement. Okay? So, let's solve this one using our formula. So, we have here 10 factorial. Since 10 is n, then we have here n is 10, 10 minus 3 is r factorial is equal to 10 factorial over 7 factorial. We have here 10 factorial is, remember that's 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. Okay? Therefore, we have 7 factorial here. Cancel out 7 factorial. We have 10 times 9 times 8. That is 720 ways. Okay, that's permutation of 10 taken 3 at a time. So there are 720 ways that you can arrange the runners as first, second, third places. We have here another example. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed from the numbers 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 if repetition of digit is not allowed? So is this a permutation? Is the order is important in this example? So let's say there are 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will use this number 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 to form a 4-digit number. So we have here, let's say it's 4, 6, 8, 1. So this is a 4-digit number. So this is one number or one arrangement. So if we have here another arrangement, 6, 4, 8, 1. We have the same elements. We have here 4, 6, 8, 1 and 6, 4, 8, 1. Are these two numbers the same? Okay, they are different. Therefore, the order is important. Even though that you are going to rearrange the order here, still the result is different from the other. So, it means that this is an example of permutation. So what do you mean by if repetition of digit is not allowed? So repetition, it means you are going to repeat it But it is not allowed. It means that you cannot have a 4-digit number like 4444. This is not allowed, right? Because the repetition of digit is not allowed. You cannot have 6666. This is not allowed because repetition of digit is not allowed. Okay? Using a permutation, we have that's the formula permutation. Permutation of n taken r at a time that is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Your n here is, so the number of set 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers, right? What are the 6 numbers? 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have your r here. Since you are going to form a 4-digit number, your r is 4. Because you are going to form, in every arrangement, there are 4 elements. Because there are 4-digit number that you are going to form. So we have your permutation of 6 taken 4 at a time, that is equal to 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial. That is 6 factorial. That is 6 minus 4, that's 2 factorial. That's 6 factorial, that's 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Since 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So, I write here 2 factorial so that I can cancel that out in the denominator, since the denominator has 2 factorial. So, cancel this out. Therefore, 6 times 5, that's 30 times 4. 30 times 4, that's 120. 120 times 3, that is 360. So, there are 360 ways, or there are 360 4-digit number. So, there are 364 digit number that can be formed using the numbers 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9.